This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make macaroni salad Pinoy-style. First, gather your key ingredients. 1 pound of elbow macaroni, about 1 cup of diced cooked ham, and half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. For the dressing, you'll need 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of condensed milk, and a small can of crushed pineapple, drained. Having everything ready makes the process smooth. Next, cook your elbow macaroni according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Drain it well and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process and prevent sticking. While the macaroni cools, dice your cooked ham into small, consistent pieces. Also, prepare about 3 hard-boiled eggs by chopping them finely. These steps ensure a great texture throughout your salad. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, combine your cooled macaroni, diced ham, shredded cheddar cheese, and chopped hard-boiled eggs. Pour the creamy dressing you prepared earlier over these ingredients. Gently mix everything until all components are evenly coated. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and refrigerate the salad for at least 2 hours before serving. Finally, your delicious Pinoy-style macaroni salad is ready to enjoy. Serve it chilled as a refreshing side dish for any meal, or even as a light lunch. You can add a little extra shredded cheese or a dash of paprika on top for a nice presentation. This creamy, sweet, and savory salad is a true crowd pleaser. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.